Hello and welcome to another update video about Ergo. I covered Ergo yesterday and I did cover it once before when we were in that downtrend here. Yesterday, I think I told you that we were moving around here potentially, and it seems like that was really the case. So it started to look like, I did mention that before, that we would get to a low at $8, and pretty much exactly $8 was the low. I did say it at the time, I think when we were up here at around, coming down at around 950 or something. And I said, look, the last level pretty much that there is, the last significant one is here, the $8 level. I mean, below that, we still have a chance here at 651 or 630. But $8, we could already see the downtrend slowing down, basically the way of the steepness of the lows here. And also we saw a descending wedge, and also we saw a bullish divergence on the RSI here on the 4 hour. So all of these things added together, and I told you that, look, if we get close to $8 and we bounce off there and we break above that descending wedge and break above the 20-day moving average, that would be a good trade entry for me. Now, that's what I did. Got in there now because for me, the likelihood is high, especially considering the volume that we see here as well, that this is a true breakout, that we now found the bottom. And I believe in the potential of Ergo, especially as they cooperate with Cardano. Yeah, we're currently retracing, just a normal retracement, that's fine. We already peaked up to 1150 roughly. And I mean, we were exactly 1150 actually. And we made temporarily, I think, 16-17% today. So if we want to have a look what we are currently doing here and how we are retracing, we are not even, you know, we are not even sort of at the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. I mean, we're just about there now at, not quite actually, we didn't quite touch it. So that would be one of the higher ones, you know, the less of a retracement. Actually, if we bounce off there, the likelihood is high that we continue to move up strongly. We've got the 0.5, which is actually at, we need to move that over here, which is at 975, and then we've got the 0.618, the golden pocket is at 930. Now that 930 level, that would still be above that descending trend line, above that support level now of that descending wedge. As you know, a descending wedge is generally a bullish pattern, and I did highlight that in the video. Now let's take a look at the extension levels. What is coming next? Now the next one, should we really break above 1150 again, which I believe we do, then we've got, just need to adjust that once more, sorry. Then we can get to the next level. So the 1.272 extension level is at around 1250. After that, we've got 1371. That is the 1.618. Most certainly we're going to get there. And then we've got the $15 level. After that, we've got 1730. Now, this next extension level, the 1.272, that is at 1250. That's pretty much exactly where we're currently having that 50-day moving average. So the 20-day we just moved through, which was great. Now the 51 is basically the last main moving average that we need to get through, in my opinion here. At that point, we also have generally at $13, we've got another resistance level from that previous high here. So it will be a bit tricky to get through that range. But it is very positive that we found a low here. Of course, we're retracing now because that was quite a bit of a pump, as I said, around, I think, was it 16% or something at the peak? Was it even higher? Was it even, well, from $8, of course, it was like 50% now. But we want to take a look at what we did today, and I probably have to start somewhere here. That was, yeah, pretty much 25%, 20-25% at the peak. So really nice gain, and I only talked about Ergo, I think, yesterday. So that was again an on-time trigger yesterday that I made you aware again. And as I always say, I try to make you aware before breakouts happen. Really put a lot of work in it, and it has worked out often enough, I think, in the past. So that was the next one here, and I think, you know, this is a good retracement at the moment. It's not crazy, you know. Yes, 12%, 13% is okay, but it's not like overly crazy where people now start to get the FOMO in. I think it's still early. It's early in the trend. It's not too early. So I think it's a good time actually. I bought, as I said, today at around this level, at around 1050, because I wanted to see if we do retest actually that level, and yeah, we did, and then we pumped a little bit more. Now we're retracing, so that works out very nicely. And We obviously retraced now from that level at 1150. That was also that previous high here. So we're now going back, and yeah, it works. It plays out. As I said, the next level will be here, that 50-day moving average, and then after that we've got that $13 level of that previous high. But yeah, Ergo has a lot of potential, and just want to give you that quick update. I think the potential now is that we continue to go up. Of course, if we struggle to get through that 1150 level, then we probably come down once more, go to the 950, which is that support level here, maybe even retest that then support level of that descending wedge here, which will be at around probably $9 or something. If we then fall below that, we go down to $8. Now, I don't think that is very likely at the moment, but in the crypto space, everything can happen. At the moment, for me, it's looking quite bullish. It's looking quite good. We had now a long-term move to the downside. On the daily here, we now have a, yeah, we had a buy signal. You know, we crossed the zero line on the MACD. Did tell you a couple of days ago that we might get that, and then we saw that here, that first bar, and now we've seen the second one peaking, and here we just crossed the 50 line, so we're in the bullish range on the daily on the RSI. In my view, it's all looking good, and especially that descending wedge looked really promising. So yeah, hopefully you liked the video. If you did, please smash the like button, and if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, then please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.